workshop where the chips fly around. RPMs climb and never let us down. Cutting speed, ViaSell, gotta keep it tight. Got the cut like the rhythm of the night. CNC, VMC machines on the floor, measuring out the distance, hear the spindle roar. Talking torque and feeds, gotta get it right. In the groove of the trade, working through the night. Cutting tools, dancing in the light. Precision and power make it just right. Feel the beat like the tools we use. Syncopated rhythm, never gonna lose. Creeping, but we keep the pace. Change the insert, keep a steady face. Customer calls, got to make it clear. Meeting their needs every time we hear. Cutting tools, dancing in the light. Precision and power make it just right. Feel the beat like the tools we use. Syncopated rhythm, never gonna lose. Cool and flowing, work is smooth and clean. Programming numbers like you've never seen. Hands on the pulleys, turning metal to gold. In the world of cuts, stories unfold.